Today we're going to set up your NetSuite integration with Brex. Brex administrators and bookkeepers can set it up by navigating to the Integrations tab on the left. From here, we can start connecting NetSuite. The first step will be to enable token authentication. You can find this in your NetSuite account under Setup, and then navigating to Company and Enabled Features. Go to the Suite Cloud subsection. In this section, you should see a section called Suite Talk. It should have a checkbox for SOAP Web Services. It's already been selected here, but go ahead and do so if it isn't already. The next step is to install the Brex bundle. Navigate to Customization and to Suite Bundler to search and install bundles within NetSuite. Once you're here, search for Brex as a keyword and install the integration. We've already installed it here, so we'll move on to the next step. Now we'll create an access token from our NetSuite dashboard. Go directly to the home page and find Manage Access Tokens under Settings. Go ahead and click on the option for New My Access Token, and then Brex, under the application name. After you choose a token name, save your token, and note your token ID and token secret. Enter this on the Brex dashboard and move on to the next step. Next, enter your NetSuite account ID. You can find this in the NetSuite URL at the very start, or go to the same Setup tab as before and find it in the Company section under Company Information. Please note that you should change the dash to an underscore and capitalize the first two letters after the underscore. Review your token and account information and connect. Going back to NetSuite, we'll now make sure the required fields for your journal entry are selected. Under Customization, go to Forms and select Transaction Forms. Now, choose your standard journal entry, which for us is called Brex Standard Journal Entry. Go ahead and click on Edit. Go to Screen Fields and then Lines and scroll all the way to the bottom to make sure your receipt URL and Created From are both selected. Next, head back to your Brex dashboard where you will immediately land on the Integration Setup page. Make sure your accounts payable, bank accounts, and rewards credits are mapped to the relevant GL accounts. If you head down to Custom Settings, you'll see a few additional functionalities. You can now filter which of your GL accounts show up across Brex. Just unselect the ones you don't need for the purpose of credit card transactions. We also added functionality to allow you to customize your journal entries and how they export from Brex into NetSuite. The default is monthly, but you can change this to your own intervals. You also have the choice to set up a single journal entry for each transaction. These next 3 sections are required, so make sure you fill these out before continuing. For the final step, you can customize the mapping of each Brex category to different NetSuite accounts. Optionally, you can also customize account mapping for departments, locations, merchants, and any other custom rules. Once you've reviewed your account mapping, go ahead and export. For each transaction, you can now view its receipt through the Receipt URL column. If you want the exact details of a transaction, you can go to the link under Created From, and it'll show you more information on the Brex dashboard. There you go. That's the NetSuite integration with Brex. We hope that it helps you close your books faster. Thanks for watching.